Have you ever imagined waking up in the morning and before you even step out of bed, your room is already clean, your clothes are sorted, the laundry is folded, and everything in your house is exactly where it should be? Well, that future might have officially arrived. Meet Isaac One, the brand new home robot from Weave that looks less like a science fiction machine and more like something that could quietly become part of everyday life. And here's the crazy part. This robot wasn't built just to do one thing. We've already seen robot vacuums cleaning floors for years, but Isaac One is playing in a completely different league. Imagine throwing your dirty clothes on the floor like usual. Instead of you picking them up later, Isaac One finds them, grabs them, carries the laundry basket, and handles the entire folding process for you. Yeah, seriously, but it doesn't stop there. Let's say you leave home in a hurry. Your bed is messy, pillows are everywhere, your shoes are in the middle of the room, maybe your kids left toys all over the floor. By the time you come back, everything is reset. Bed perfectly made, blankets organized, shoes back in place, the whole room looking like nobody ever made a mess. And what makes this even more interesting? Isaac One was designed specifically for homes from day one. It has a soft outer body, so it feels safe around people, a wheeled base for stable movement, and even a collapsible body that can extend to human height when working. Then shrink down when it's done, so it stays out of the way. Kind of wild, right? The company behind it, Weave, already tested an earlier robot called Isaac Zero, and that machine has already spent over 2,000 hours working inside real homes, folding more than 1,000 pounds of laundry every single week. So this isn't some concept robot. This is real, and deliveries for Isaac One are starting this fall. So here's the question. If a robot like Isaac One could handle all the boring chores in your house, would you actually let it live with you? Because honestly, the future of home robots just got a lot closer than most people expected.